In today's video, I'm going to teach you the step-by-step process to set up indicator alerts on TradingView, focusing specifically on using the RSI indicator. This will be particularly useful if you're looking to streamline your trading strategy by getting notified about key market conditions without having to constantly monitor charts yourself. First, you'll want to log into your TradingView account and navigate to the chart of the asset you're interested in analyzing. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. Once you're on the platform, select the specific chart that aligns with your trading interests or strategies. This is your starting point for setting up any kind of alert. Next, it's time to add the indicator that will be the basis of your alert. Head over to the top toolbar and click on the button labeled Indicators. In the search bar, type RSI. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. It's a valuable tool, often used to identify overbought or oversold conditions in a market. Once you've located RSI from the list, click on it to add it to your chart. With your RSI indicator in place, you're ready to open the alert creation panel. Look to the top of the chart and find the icon that looks like an alarm clock. This is the Alerts button. Click on it to bring up the alert creation window. It's where you'll start to craft the specifics of your alert conditions. Now, in the alert creation window, you'll want to customize the coverage of your alert. The first step here is to change the condition from price to the name of your RSI indicator. This ensures the alert is generated based on the RSI levels rather than general price movements. This step is crucial for precisely matching your alert criteria to your strategy. Once you've set the indicator as your condition, define the specifics of your alert condition. Here you can select whether the alert should trigger when the RSI is crossing up or down, or if it simply goes above or below a specific value. For instance, many traders use 30 as a trigger for oversold conditions and 70 for overbought conditions. Decide which thresholds are relevant to your trading plan and input those levels. After tailoring the conditions of your alert, you should name it something descriptive that will easily remind you of its purpose. Then simply click the Create button to save your work. Congratulations, your alert is now set up and ready to notify you based on your specified criteria. Before we wrap up, here are a few extra tips to enhance your experience. If you prefer a more direct route, you can right-click on the indicator directly on your chart and select Add Alert on RSI to open the alert settings. Remember, the conditions you can choose are dependent on the indicator you're working with, so explore different options if you use other indicators. And finally, don't forget about customization. You can adjust settings for when the alert triggers, how long it stays active, and where you'll receive notifications. That's it for setting up indicator alerts on TradingView. With these alerts, you'll be better equipped to respond to market movements efficiently and effectively.